Okay, Secretary, ilang araw po bago ang unang 100 araw sa pwesto ng Pangulo? Kamusta po ang progress sa mga nais niyang ma-accomplish sa loob ng 100 days?
Well, yung sa Presidente, of course, hindi siya nakafocus 100 days dahil he has to come up with solutions to problems that are both long-term, medium-term, and short-term. Kami po yung mga tumitingin ng aming mga accomplishments for the first 100 days. Nagiging responsive ba kami dun sa mga pangangailangan ng ating Pangulo? Is the message going out fast enough? Are we getting information clearly? Are we getting information that is sufficient for the public to be informed about yung mga pangyayari? So far, nakikita ko that the teams are getting more efficient as the days go by, and so far, sa tingin namin, is nakaka-responde kami ng mabilis sa ating Pangulo. But of course, as you know, the needs sometimes change. So halimbawa, pagka times of disaster, iba po yung bilis at saka yung kailangan response time namin. And so far so good ang nakikita namin sa aming mga teams.
Okay.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.